Hello there, Sev here from Three Counties Motorhomes, and welcome to this video guide on the Sargent AC50 control panel that you see in front of me. Now this control panel is very simple, very easy to use, and we'll just go through the obvious functions, so tell you what these buttons do and what this gauge is showing us, so that you can get right on and use your camper van without wondering how to do these basic operations. Now, for any sort of troubleshooting or anything like that, this video is not going to show you any of that stuff. This is merely just a quick start guide so that you can get using your leisure vehicle that has this control panel. So first of all, we have the power button here. This will turn on and off power to the leisure battery system typically, and then we have the button here that is wired to ideally be used for lights on and off. So on this particular vehicle, that is turning on and off the main lighting. This button here will turn on and off the power to a water pump. And then this one here is a sprung loaded button that's going to move the analog needle there, which is showing us our battery voltage. And rather than showing a number, this is just showing a multicolored section there, and we can just infer from whatever color the needle is sitting in whether or not the battery is in an okay condition or not. Now, when the water pump runs, inside that analog gauge, you will see a little LED illuminate there when the pump is running, just to show you that it is actually operating. Because sometimes some pumps may be fitted in a place that is not audible to hear it operating, although of course most motorhomes you can. And that really is it. That's how to use the AC50 control panel. Like I said, it is very simple. But I do hope you found this video useful. Thank you very much for watching. Take care.